Hey there, I'm Joshua Vigo-Fas, a probate real estate specialist here in California. And one of the most common questions I get from families dealing with probate is, can I make repairs to the home before we sell it? The short answer is yes, but only if you're legally authorized to do so. Let me explain. If you're the court-appointed executor or administrator and you've received your testamentary letters or letters of administration, you can usually make decisions about the property, including making necessary repairs.